guys, welcome back to the channel. So I just got in a new package for the CTS coupe with the 3.6. I'm sure you guys been following along on a lot of the things I've done to my 3.6. If you haven't, if you're first time joining, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can follow along and see some YouTube videos that I have out there that may help you out on your CTS coupe. But for today, I'm going to be, I just received in the package for Lambo doors. I know some of you guys may be strongly opposed to Lambo doors, but this isn't my daily driver. I put it together specifically for car shows, not from the standpoint of a daily driver. But even as a daily driver, this kit is supposed to be pretty awesome. And I'm looking forward to getting it installed. So let's do the open box here. All right, as you can see, this one is by Vertical Doors. Great company. They make their stuff right here in the US, over in California. That's what I love about it, and they do a fantastic job. Great reviews on it, as long as the people are installing it correctly. Of course, someone who does a poor job of installation, of course, they're going to complain about the company when it really was their own doing. This would be my first time installing Lambo doors. What I like about it is that you can still open it up the regular way how you open it up today, but you also have the option to swing it up as the Lambo, so you're not 100% Lambo doors after you install it. That's what I really enjoy about it. You do get in the shocks. Let's see here. I'm assuming there should be two in here. Let's see. Yep, there's two in there. There's another one down at the bottom. So these are the shocks, one for each door. Yeah, can't gloss over the fact that it comes with instructions. We'll see just how good those instructions are when I go through them. Wire loom cover, wire loom. Let's see here. And I'm not sure what's in there, probably hardware. This right here is one side of it, and this thing is meaty. It is not cheaply made. Grab that off of there. All right, get my phone back. Let's see here. Look at that. Look at the thickness. I'll put my finger up here so you can have some idea of the thickness we're talking about here. Grease cert so you can keep it all lubed up. This thing isn't cheaply made. Great welds on it. I'm looking forward to putting it in. One of the many things I enjoy about their kits is that they are not universal kits. These are made and designed for each individual car. And so they bolt on where they're supposed to be. So there's no welding needed. You're able to bolt these on into the existing place where your existing door hinges go. And as you can see on here, I believe you'll see it says CTS 2-door. Is even stamped on there as far as that goes. So why don't you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can follow me along as I start this installation process. So I'll be installing this in a upcoming video. So hopefully you guys are sticking around to be able to see it. Thanks for joining, you guys.